Here I'm going to explain the first problem of the div 3 groups. I hope that you all have read the problem, so I will consider first taking the sample test cases. Okay, so here you can see that if they are continuous zeros, so there are 0 groups. If I found 1 then there will be 1. If I found 2 ones, then there is 2 groups are there. Similarly, here also 1 or 2 times 2 groups are there. Here 3 times 1 are there, so 3 groups are there. But ones should not be continuous, so here 1 is like this. So what you have to basically do is you have to run a for loop to the length of the string to maintain a basically a counter variable which you have to set 0. Then you have to check that whether the first character is 1 and the next character should not be 1. You got it, no? That the first character means this should be 1 and the next should not be 1. If this condition satisfies, then just increment the counter variable. After that, the program will execute. If you get any problem, then comment in the section.